Operation Victor 2154 observation, wind 16013, gust 20, visibility 10, few clouds 2,500.
Limpy Tower, Skyhawk 54073 is holding short, runway 17, ready for takeoff, close traffic.
Cessna 54073, Olympia Tower, make left, close traffic, runway 17, cleared for takeoff.
073 will make left traffic, clear for takeoff, 17. RPM's good, oil pressure's good, oil temperature's good, suction's good, airspeed's alive.
On my first crosswind turn, I was so unused to the need for significant crab angles that I just gawked at the airplane sliding sideways and didn't completely correct.
Cessna 073, runway 17, clear for the option, wind 180 at 20.
073, clear for the option, 17.
Again on base, you can see the airplane slide to the side. The power lines make a good reference. The wind was basically straight down the runway, 10 degrees crosswind, which is less than a 5-knot crosswind component. Still, the gusty variability made alignment a bit tricky. That must be a right crosswind component. On my second crosswind leg, I tried to be more disciplined about holding the correct crab angle. I used the right edge of the field as a reference. After the fact, I was curious to evaluate whether the winds at 1,000 feet were about the same or significantly stronger than the surface winds. So, I noted the road, which was nearly perpendicular to the wind. Then, looking at the camera footage during the crab, I tried to contrast the road, which the airplane was following parallel, compared to the direction the nose was pointed. Obviously, there's a huge estimation factor in all these inputs, but it suggests that, in this particular case, the winds at 1,000 feet were about the same as the surface winds.
Cessna 073, runway 17, clear for the option, wind 180 at 18.
073, clear for the option, 17.
These landings have some float in them because I'm carrying about 75 knots across the threshold. That's just in case of a sudden gust or wind shear, although I didn't encounter it. Crabs kept getting better as I knocked the dust off. It was still very surreal to have such an obvious crab angle. That's unusual in my flying. Around here, strong winds tend to also cause IFR conditions, so good VFR days in terms of weather and visibility also tend to be relatively light winds.
Cessna 073, runway 17, clear for the option, wind 180 at 17.
073, cleared option, 17.
All I can say for this landing is epic float.
Limp Tower 073 is full stop.
System 073, roger, Fable, turn left on Golf. Taxi via Foxtrot, echo the ramp and cross runway 26 and monitor ground point 6. Good day.
Golf Foxtrot Echo crossing 26, 54073, good day.